So you want to build yourself a website, whether that is for your business, freelancing business, e-commerce, or for your blog. You can easily build an entire website today for only $120. And guess what? You don't need to purchase a theme either. You can design your dream website using the Elementor theme builder step by step. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can do that. Hi, I'm Lydia. On this channel, we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. First, let's talk pricing. Why should you choose Elementor Cloud hosting over any other hosting? With Elementor Cloud, you have the hosting included, the WordPress dashboard, and you also get the Elementor Pro plugin that will allow you to design your entire website just the way you want it. Your WooCommerce shop, your pages, and anything else. And you get access to a bunch of templates and blocks for your pages and homepage and everything else, and you will not need to purchase a theme. You pay $120 for the first year, which is $10 per month, and if you had any other hosting and just wanted to get the Elementor Pro plugin for $59, that would have concluded to only $5.08 per month for the hosting. And yes, you need to purchase your own domain, but that is the usual with any hosting platform either way. And it is not very expensive either, depending on the domain you choose. Another really good thing about Elementor Cloud is that you will have it all in one place. You can log into your Elementor dashboard and have all your websites there or your website there and the Elementor Pro plugin as well, and you'll be able to use it directly. The best part is that you can get Elementor Cloud for multiple websites if you have multiple businesses or if you are a website designer. So let me show you how to do it all in one place. The first thing you'll need to do is obviously decide what you want to build your website for, whether that is for your blog, your e-commerce shop, whatever it is, and then find a domain name that is available and purchase it on a platform such as GoDaddy. You can find the link for it below. Then you'll need to click the link below and purchase your Elementor Cloud license, create your account, and you'll be able to go to websites and just access your WordPress dashboard from there. So you've purchased your domain, you're now in your WordPress dashboard, you're now into your Elementor account. So let me show you step by step how to connect your purchased domain to your Elementor Cloud website so you can use it for your business. The next step would be to create your website's mood board or sketch. This is what I do for my website design clients anyways. This will help you kind of envision what type of website you want to create for your business. For example, I take a few pages and I like to draw things, or I do this on my iPad, and I draw exactly how I want the homepage to look, where I want the main menu to be, where I want the secondary menu, the social menu, if I want a slider or not, if I want different menu types, if I want the blog to be showcased on the homepage, and just everything else, the menu with the drop downs. I try to design it on a piece of paper or on my iPad before I start putting it together with Elementor. Because with Elementor, it is literally that easy. You can add the menu wherever you want. You can add the pictures wherever you want them. You can choose to animate them. There are so many things you can do with Elementor. So I just like being creative and just deciding whatever I want to do with the website. And then I know I can do it because Elementor is a drag and drop plugin, or with Elementor Cloud, you get it included and you can use it freely. Once I've figured out exactly how I want my website to look, I want to add a few blog posts and pages so I can add those to my main menu and so I can see how they look on the homepage. So I go ahead and I add those from my WordPress dashboard. Next, I go ahead and I create the menus from appearance and menus. After I do that, I can start creating my entire website and my pages for my entire website by using the Hello Elementor theme that is a free theme they provide, and the Elementor Pro plugin that is already included, and the theme builder. You can customize each page to your liking by dragging and dropping every single block, or you have a bunch of blocks and already designed pages you can choose from and design them to your own liking and just switch the images, switch the colors to fit about your brand. And if you're wondering, that is even easier to do with Elementor, the theme builder, than by purchasing a theme, because with any other theme that you purchase, you don't get already designed pages. You will need to create those yourself. With a regular theme, you just get how things function, but you don't get the designed pages, if that makes sense. So that is why I consider that getting Elementor and getting the hosting already embedded in there, I think that is a better choice, especially if you want to create a website quickly. And there you go, this is how you can create an entire website in less than a few hours by using Elementor Cloud. Make sure to try it yourself by using the link in the description. That was it for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in my next video.